just realized I didn't do an intro for the video I'm about to post, so I'm trying to do an intro. So welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? So I'm trying to set up my living room because we moved, period. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment because it's gonna be series. This is gonna be a series. Okay, so let's go. we finished hanging the curtains. Yes, so as you know, I got the curtains from what is it called, Home Goods. And also I moved this little rosy flower thing that I got from Ross for like $19. I moved it from another space and I put it here because I did buy this vase from TJ Maxx, and then the flower kind of stick is from Burlington for $12. So I'm gonna head out because it blends in. Yes, we also temporarily hang the TV because, as you know, my final aim is create like a fireplace around here. But for now, since it's not in, I mean it's in the work, but since it's not actually happening right now, we hang the TV till we can actually afford that. But right now the TV is hanged. I have these 4 set of marble like stone. So I got 4 set from Ross. I'm gonna use 2 here because when you got a drink, stop it. Oh my god, this is why I leave you in your cage, because you do not let me be here. What you're not gonna do is move the whole camera. Books is one of the things that I use for decoration. I've had these books from my like previous house in South Dakota, and I've been looking for them, and I finally found them in one of the suitcases. I love Joanna Gaines. I think her husband's name is, oh my god, I can't remember, but I love to watch them on HGTV. Remember when I built my house in Barbados, my first home that I built, I wasn't in America, but I got like lots of like ideas from watching them. So when I came and I saw that she wrote a book, y'all gonna have to grab it. I don't know where I bought it from, but I don't know if I thrifted it. And then obviously I'm gonna get Oprah because she's one of the richest black ladies or females, let me say. I definitely will get her book, so I'm so happy. I think I thrifted that too, I don't know. And obviously, like, don't play with her, don't play with her. So this is Michelle Obama's, so I'm gonna be using these 3 books and for decoration. I'm gonna probably place this here. So you know I got this from Burlington, both of them. So I'm gonna place this here. I just love this color. It kind of gives fall. Sorry for my little puppy. He's just so attention seeking. Sir, can you go sit down and let mommy shine a little bit, okay? I love that it's blending with the whole thing. Okay, it's not time for play yet. Move. I'm not playing with you, sir. Okay. Using this, so I showed you this already. I thrifted it. It's ideas, like lots of ideas for how you want your house to look. And then this is gonna be in one of the hauls I'm gonna do. And it's Dio. I got it from Home Goods. You know, a lot of people see Chanel. I've seen Chanel a couple times, so but when I saw Dio, I know Dio is not something that you found every day. I went ahead and pick it up for $29.99, $30. It's a lot of money that I'm gonna be spending on books. So what I want to do is like place it like that, because Dio is expensive. You actually want to see Dio, and then when you turn around, you see like the fire, like the red against this. I just love it. Such a pretty thing. So that is what I did. I had this to decorate the chairs. I had this from before, and because it's neutral colors, I'm going to be using this off-whitish. And nope, not in the lip. Nope, you know the deal. Sit down. Sit. Rock. Sit. Nope. He ignored me and walked away and walked back into his house. Okay, so we're gonna do that. And this pillow, since we're doing, it's almost fall. I'm not a big fall person. I didn't grow up decorating for fall, but since I've been in America, I want to like partake in some sort of tradition because I don't do Halloween. I don't do a lot of stuff. So we're gonna do a little tiny fall. Like this is giving fall. This is giving concave decor, you know, on a pillow. This green came with the chair. So I just went ahead and took it. I haven't unwrapped my couch and the love seat yet because I know I have more work to do, like building the fireplace is going to be dusty, so I'm still trying to protect it as much as I can. So I just use the pillow it came with. I am so in love with this. Like, you don't understand, like it's very textured. Like all of them are textured. And one thing I do when I buy a pillow, because I can't remember, I make sure they come with a zipper. You know why? Because I want to periodically take out whatever is inside and wash the pillowcase. Okay? Because I don't want to constantly throw a pillow because it's dirty to buy another one. Why? I could just as much buy the one that has zipper and then reuse it. So this one I placed here. This already have these two here. What I'm going to do is, I mean, I would have loved to use green, but I'm not sure yet. Maybe I will look for green, but for now, we have this black, and we're going to be using black because it's a little blackish. The couch is a blackish grayish color. So I want to place this right here, in the middle, in the middle, in the middle. And we have a little black. I love this black pillow. It's very textured, and the little throw that we have, the black throw, has this also like this texture. Did you see that? It's such a pretty color from Ross. All of this was from Ross, I think. Yes, Ross, and I think this is from TJ Maxx. So I place this black here to like blend in the color. And then this little baby here, this pretty little baby. I love this funness. I'm gonna be placing it on this here. I think that would be too much. I'm gonna place it on here. Yeah. Yes. So, yes, I think that goes. So far, this is what we are, and I bought this little basket. It already has like my drawers, so I'm gonna be putting, I'm gonna take these out. I just use it to lay down sometimes. So instead of looking for it, I just put it right here. But I'm gonna take that out later. But I got this basket that has this little wovenness, and kind of goes a little bit with the colors. I got it from Marshall. It was on clearance for $24. So this is gonna be my throw basket, and I'm gonna put it right here for now. Okay, for now. Maybe when the TV stand is done and we have like places, I can put it under the TV stand. But for now, that's where we're gonna leave it. Updates on the carpet. I want a bigger carpet because this carpet make it look a little, like make the living room look smaller and cramped. So if I can get like a bigger carpet to give me that room, that will be the next updates. But for now, I think it looks a little presentable. I'm not getting visitors like that. Everything is dependent on my TV stand. And I can't wait to do that. What do you guys think? Stop it. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this house, but I love it. Do you love it? Rocky, do you love it? Do you love it? Do you love it? Do you love it? Oh, you love it. You love it. You love it. You are less playful. Move before I beat you. Anyways, I'll go ahead and end today's video. I shall see you. This dog is very stubborn. This dog is very, very stubborn. You're very, very stubborn, sir. You ate and everything, now your body is sweeting you. But anyways, I'll end this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. Come on. Come here. Let's say hi. You're so heavy. Come here. This is what I did. Boy, keep quiet. No. Move, Joe. Bye, guys.